Turkey, a land of ancient echoes. History breathes deeply here, modernity hums alongside. Old stones whisper tales, new cities gleam brightly, past and present intertwine, a timeless ballet unfolds, stories fill the very air, a journey awaits the curious. Imagine Turkey's 7 regions, from Thrace to eastern borders. Giant mechanisms now stir, ancient landmarks reawaken. Their hearts, complex gears, bronze cogs turn slowly, golden levers shift softly, midnight blue shadows play. A mechanical orchestra begins. Istanbul, a city of legend. Hagia Sophia stands proud, its dome a bronzed marvel. Gears support its great weight. Sunlight catches glints of gold. Galata Tower pierces the sky, a sentinel watching always. Its clockwork heart beats softly. Dark gold adorns its form. South to the Aegean coast, Ephesus, a Roman port famed. Marble streets echo softly, its library animated facade moved by hidden cogs, scrolls turned by machinery, the great theatre colossal, its stones shift subtly, powered by an unseen engine. Venture to Mediterranean shores, sunlight bathes the ancient land, Aspendos Theatre stands grandly, a Roman marvel of design, its stone tiers linked by gears. The stage might rise and fall, bronze counterweights move silently. Dark gold shimmers on surfaces, ancient sounds mechanically amplified, inland to central Anatolia. A surreal, beautiful landscape, Cappadocia, fairy chimneys rise, soft volcanic rock formations. Imagine their secret core. Internal clockwork whirring low. Some chimneys slowly rotate, revealing hidden geared doors. Bronze mechanisms glint softly. The scale is truly breathtaking. Immense power moves these forms. Ancient architects, clockmakers now, their knowledge of leverage shown, expressed in these grand creations, each landmark a testament. An age of stone and metal, dancing to unseen engines, a symphony in bronze, blue. Sunlight plays on ancient forms, casting long, dramatic shadows, dark gold edges, giant cogs, bronze gleams with old patinas, midnight blue hints at depths. Intricate gears mesh silently or hum with resonant sound. A medieval score seems to rise. Turkey's heritage ticks onward. Travel north to Black Sea. Cliffs rise from dense forests. Sumela Monastery clings high, a sanctuary serene, beautiful, its walls bronze-plated, strong. Windows open like slow eyes, internal lifts water-powered. Clockwork connects its chapels, a dark gold mountain beacon east to Anatolia's heart, Göbekli Tepe, history rewritten, world's oldest known temple, before pottery, before metal. Its T-pillars subtly shift, aligned by ancient primal gears, tracking celestial movements, a vast, slow-moving orrery. Bronze and stone elements interact. South to southeastern Anatolia, Mardin, stone houses cascade, a honey-coloured labyrinth, its architecture clockwork infused. Bronze grills open and close with the sun's slow passage. Hidden panels reveal scripts, fountains splash, a tick-tock, the city a living timepiece. Mechanical views add mystery. To these awe-inspiring sights, whirring gears, unseen, unheard, glints of bronze in shadows evokes the truly fantastical. Myth and reality intertwine, ancient gods, skilled artisans, imbued places with machine life. Air hums with hidden energy. Consider Pamukkale's white terraces. The cotton castle gleams brightly, travertine pools reflect blue sky. Imagine water flow controlled by subterranean geared systems. Channels open, then they close, maintaining this natural wonder, a delicate clockwork balance. Nature and mechanism entwined. High on Mount Nemrut's summit, colossal statues gaze outward, heads of gods, ancient kings, scattered by time's passage. Perhaps internal clockwork once animated these stone giants, their eyes scanning the horizon. Powered by forgotten bronze hearts, guardians of a silent kingdom, Turkey's heritage is so rich. Ottoman designs, grand and bold, Seljuk patterns, intricate fine. Ancient Anatolian foundations all inspire these visions of clockwork, gears and bronze, a fusion of eras, of styles reflected in imagined machines, a testament to enduring skill. This journey through mechanical marvels reveals Turkey's timeless allure, a land where history ticks on, each cog, each turning wheel echoes ages of innovation, from ancient hands to empires, the dark gold of sunsets, the bronze of ancient tools. Turkey, an eternal whirring dream.